So today we're going to be talking about drugstore makeup that is $10 and under. I'm also going to be testing out some brand new makeup from ELF that might be dupes for more higher end makeup, and I can't wait to share that with you. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high end and everything in between. And today it's all about $10 and under. I did not realize how expensive drugstore makeup is getting. I mean, I love the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It foundation. That's like 17 bucks. No. I can't wait to share what serum foundation I'm wearing that only retails for $6.70. I'm also going to be testing out the brand new ELF Putty Bronzer as well as their brand new ELF Jelly Pop Glow Stick. And you're not going to believe what I found out. So let's get into the video. Now for foundation, I like to go with either a tinted moisturizer or a serum foundation since I have normal to dry skin and I do have melasma. I do want to cover it up just a little bit and make my complexion nice and smooth. I cannot say this enough. If you know me by now, I absolutely love the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Now, it comes in 21 shades and it retails for $6.70. It provides moderate coverage. It's not going to cover everything up, but it's still going to make your skin look beautiful. It's a super lightweight formula that just blends easily onto your skin, and it's a very runny formula, so I like to blend it in with my ELF Beauty Sponge. Again, drugstore, affordable, fantastic. You can order it off Ulta. If you are that type of person that would like more coverage or matte coverage, they do have a matte formula, and that is 20 cents more, $6.90. But this is the serum foundation from The Ordinary. I'm in the shade 2.0 YG. I find it is the perfect shade for me because it has those yellow undertones and it's just beautiful and flexible on my face. I can wear it all day long. So beautiful, so comfortable, and it works really well with cream products, powder products. It's stunning. But yes, under $10, $6.70. The Ordinary Serum Foundation. Okay, well, let's get on with it, Kat. Oh my gosh, the ELF Putty Bronzer. I have been using this for the last 2 weeks, and I wanted to have a very informed decision and let you know what I thought about it. This is stunning. I'm in the shade today, Tan Lines. The Putty Bronzer is very similar in texture to their Putty Cream Blush. This is also infused with argan oil and vitamin E as well. But this is such a glossy, buttery, balmy formula. And I'm going to show you what it looks like through here. It is just the perfect amount of warmth on my complexion. This retails for $6 and it comes in 8 different shades. Now the shade that I'm wearing today is Tan Lines, and this one is Golden Days, but I haven't even swatched this one. So let's swatch her. I want to see what Golden Days looks like. It looks a little bit deeper. Okay, this is Golden Days and this is Tan Lines. Just a hair deeper. And honestly, when I was trying to select it from the website, I was like, at the price of $6, I figured I would get 2 just in case one wasn't deep enough. Golden Days. Oh, it's so creamy and balmy. That is beautiful. But this is Golden Days. So yeah, this is much deeper. And if you do get a deeper shade, that's fine. You can contour with it. You can go ahead and put it right through here and contour through there. I'm just gonna take a brush and let's see, there. Beautiful. What really shocked me about the ELF Putty Bronzer, blew me away how balmy it was. And then I couldn't help but compare it to the Kaja Play Bento Sculpting Trio, the bronzer in here. I want you to see, it is identical in consistency and balminess. Is that a word, balminess? And the shade that I'm in the Kaja Play Bento is Cloud Latte. But look, pretty dang similar. This one's a hair deeper. I like to put bronzer. Hear me out. I have a very small forehead, but I like to put it right below my hairline, and I'm going to show you right through here because I have gray hairs going in there, you guys. And I find that if I put a little bit of the Putty Bronzer, it just kind of covers it up, kind of warms it up. I mean, I don't think it's actually covering my grays per se, but it does add that little bit of warmth right through here, and it's stunning. It just lays beautifully on my skin. I like to tap it on with my fingertips, and then I just take my IT Cosmetics from Ulta complexion brush, and I just stiffle it in, and it is stunning. And then I just kind of go into my hairline, and it's beautiful. I don't know, but absolutely love the ELF Putty Bronzer. You know I love a good cream blush, and I pulled this out and I was like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot about the Milani Supercharged Cheek and Lip Multi-Stick. Now I'm in the shade Rose Recharge. They come in 8 different options and it retails for $8.99. Now, of course, you can use it on your cheeks or you can use it on your lips. I find it so emollient and so balmy. The pigment is ridiculous. It is just so pretty, but you can sheer it out, you can build it up, and it just feels so hydrating on my cheeks. Now, it almost reminds me in consistency of the Fenty cream blush, and that is one of my all-time favorites. I'll show you. This is Crush on Cupid, and this is such a beautiful pink shade. I love wearing pink during the summertime. I just do. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors. But here is Crush on Cupid, and I know they're in different, you know, this one's a multi-stick, this one's in a little pot. In consistency, this one's balmier. This one's actually easier to put on than the cream blush from Fenty. But yeah, this has screaming pigment. It is gorgeous. But it is also $19. I just love the convenience of this. It's so pretty, so balmy. You can use it on your lips, but I'll just use it on my cheeks today. But yeah, I absolutely love just tapping it onto my cheeks and just using my fingertips to blend it out. So easy to blend, so emollient, so juicy, and makes my cheeks look so youthful. It just provides that natural flush of color, and if you want to build it up, absolutely. But I absolutely love the Milani Supercharged Cheek and Lip Multi-Stick. I was a little leery of the new ELF Jelly Pop Glow Stick because sometimes ELF can be really good. Sometimes it could be rah, rah, and I thought, you know what, this is going to be so gimmicky. It's going to be like, I don't know, the Jelly Pop line was not thrilled about. And so this one just recently launched. Now this retails for $8 and it's supposed to be a golden color and shimmer. And it's supposed to be a universal shade. Now I was shocked. Now hear me out. First of all, it smells like watermelon. So if you have an aversion to smell and you don't like the smell of watermelon, Jolly Rancher, what's wrong with you? No, it smells delightful, but it does dissipate. You've been warned, it does smell like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I just tap it right through here and it really gives the illusion of glass skin. There's something about this formula. It's not chunky. It doesn't have that heavy glitter. It just melts into my skin seamlessly and it gives that glass look. Oh my gosh. And you have to be super careful with highlighter, whether you use a powder highlighter or a cream highlighter, because if you put it on the wrong parts of your face, it's just going to exacerbate or make your pores look even bigger. This, I don't know what's in this formula. It's beautiful. It just looks so seamless through here. I was shocked. I was shocked. And you know, I absolutely love the Danessa Myrick cream highlighter. This is stunning. This is not cheap. This is not cheap. I put them side by side and yes, it's balmy. It feels amazing. And look how electric it is on here. Oh, okay. Look how electric it is right through here. Let's go ahead and swatch it through here. This is like ba-bam, and you want to have that really bright highlight. The ELF Glow Jelly Stick, I don't know what, it's just buttery, it's softer, it's balmy, and it just has a little bit of shimmer. It doesn't have that bam quality. It just looks like glass. And do you see how glittery the Danessa Myrick is? And do you see how subtle this is? It's beautiful. And at first when I looked at it, I was like, this looks like silver. It's gonna look like that cool silver on my face. Seriously, it is a golden color and shimmer. But yeah, we're gonna go out in natural daylight so you can see exactly what all these products look like. But I was super impressed with the ELF Jelly Pop Glow Stick. This is so affordable, so beautiful. If it's gonna make my skin look like glass, hello, yes please. Now, I'm going to stay on ELF for just a hot second because I bought this about 6 months ago and I reviewed it and I didn't like it. But then I was like, you know what? let's revisit it. It is the ELF Mint Melt No Budge eyeshadow stick. I love one and done eyeshadow looks, and lately I've been wanting a little bit more of a dramatic eye. It has a sharpener on the bottom, which is fantastic, but I love to just draw like a wing on the outer corner of my eye and bring it all the way in, all over my lid. And I just like to smoke it out. It doesn't budge. It says it's not supposed to budge, but after about 8 to 10 hours, it is gonna fade just a bit. If you have oily eyelids, make sure you definitely prep your eyes with any type of eyeshadow primer, or like even use concealer and maybe powder. But this is very emollient, and I have been so impressed with it. It has just beautiful pigment. It's super easy to draw on. And this only comes in 3 shades, but this is Melt With Me. Melt With Me. It retails for $5. And like I said before, I didn't like it, but now that I've been playing around with it, absolutely love it. It's so easy to just draw on a wing, smoke it out, and then use a regular eyeshadow brush. In this case, I used my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush and just smoked it out. Now, on my brow bone, I went in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Walking on Eggshells. I know Kimberly from Pretty Over 50 loves these little 5 eyeshadow palettes. This retails for $4. Are you kidding me? But I just took this shade through here, the second one right through here, and just took it on my BH Cosmetics brush again and just went all over my brow bone, just like that. It's such a subtle and beautiful color that's so easily blendable. This whole eyeshadow palette is stunning. It's perfect amount of neutrals, and you can smoke it out with this shade through here, and then of course this champagne color through here. I just took it on a small Sigma brush, and I just ever so slightly tapped it on the inner corner of my eye. And I don't want it to be blinding, but it was just a nice little subtle pop of color. But yeah, I just been loving this eyeshadow look. I like taking it on a small angled brush and just smoking it out and connecting the lower lash line with the upper lash line, so my eyes are a little bit more cohesive and bring that focus up. Yeah, I absolutely love these. For mascara, I went back and revisited a very good mascara I didn't think I liked. It is the Wet n Wild Big Papa mascara. Now, you know me, I love a really small silicone brush that I can get in with my little short stumpy eyelashes. This one has a huge brush. At first, that's what she said. At first, I didn't like it, but if you want really big, fatty, dramatic lashes, now, I ain't gonna lie, it does clump a little bit, but it just makes my eyelashes look super big and dramatic. Is it gonna clump? Yeah, if you're a little heavy-handed with it, but I figured with such a dramatic eyeshadow look, which is really not that dramatic, it's just the shade that I used, I thought I would go in with a heavier mascara, and the Big Papa from Wet n Wild is beautiful. I think it retails for $5, but again, affordable. Went out of my comfort zone and went with that bigger brush, but I think it turned out really nice. It was funny, I was talking to my friend Lisa from Lisa Monique Beauty. She's like, have you tried those Maybelline ink Superstay ink crayons? And I was like, dude, those have been out for a while, but I'm glad she brought it up because I absolutely love the Maybelline Superstay ink crayon. It comes with a sharpener, which I just figured out today, like that. So I can sharpen the tip for more precision. But this is the shade Live on the Edge. It's a beautiful deep mocha color. Talk about staying power. This will stay all day long. So when you apply, make sure you're very precise with it. And since you do have a sharpener on the end, you can really go in and outline your lips and then just shade it in. It's a beautiful formula. It's not going to budge. You can have your cocktails or your coffee and it's not going to smudge off. But this is beautiful. Ain't gonna lie, it does smell funny. Like a crown. Of course, it's a Superstay ink crown. But this retails for $8.49 and it comes in 33 shades. You can find any type of shade from a really beautiful pink or rose or champagne color, even to blue, I think. Everything under $10. Wait, no, one last thing. This is $11. And I absolutely love it. It is the NYX Lift and Snatch, the NYX Lift and Snatch Eyebrow Pen. Now, it is a liquid and it has a very flexible felt tip end. And I just like going right through here after I put on all my makeup. And you know, when you powder and you put on your foundation, when you do your eyebrows, sometimes they need a little bit of a touch up. But this is perfect for just drawing those individual strokes of hair. And then if you're like me and you don't have eyebrows, you can feather some strokes of hair right through here. And I think I'm in the shade Brunette. This is super hard to do while talking, but I love how it's flexible. I love how the tip doesn't like spill out all the ink, but it's just beautiful. Now, this is $11, I know, but if you're willing to spend $1 extra for this amazing eyebrow pen, it's worth it for sure. Let's go see what this looks like outside. Let's go. And they said it was going to rain today. I'm so glad it didn't. Of course, the humidity is about to kill me. But this is a final look, what everything looks like in natural daylight. I mean, I just love natural light. This is what your makeup should look like. It shouldn't be heavy. It shouldn't be cakey. And the serum foundation is so light and comfortable. I don't know. I think it's pretty. What do you think? So I hope you enjoyed my affordable makeup, $10 and under. We found some amazing deals. I think one of my favorites has got to be the ELF Jelly Pop Glow Stick. It just has that beautiful consistency, that universal champagne gold shimmer. It doesn't add any texture to your skin. I mean, it's stunning. It rivals even the best high-end highlighter. And it just, look at that glass look. Stunning. And of course, we can't forget the Putty Bronzer from ELF. I'm in the shade Tan Lines, 8 different shades, $6. It does rival the Kaja Play Bento. It's such a balmy consistency. It blends out easily, and it's so affordable. Oh my gosh. And then of course the serum foundation from The Ordinary. It provides beautiful medium coverage. It's ultra lightweight. It just looks stunning on the skin, evens out your complexion, and it's just beautiful. $6.70, 21 shades. Amazing. But yes, in my next upcoming video, I'm going to be testing out some more affordable makeup, and then there's going to be a launch for a new skincare product that I can't wait to share with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And for more foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And if you want to hang out with me a little bit longer and check out some skincare reviews, check out the playlist up here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.